I just installed this Land Pride third function adapter on my Kubota, and this is an MX 4800, and the loader is an LA 1065, although I think quite a few of them are the same. But what I wanted to show you, because it's very easy install, but it can be kind of hard to figure out some of the stuff. So let me just show you. Okay, so here's your diverter right here. Be sure you tighten up all of the connections. I had an issue with a few of them that were loose. You can see a little oil on there. And anyway, so what you want to do is you pipe this up, and this is the B side, and this goes to, it just loops around and it comes right down here to the block. Now, before you start, there's going to be a hose that goes from here up to your valve, and you're going to take that one loose. So it's the one on this side. Alright, so this one, just to follow it around again, it goes right to there. The one on the other side, right here, is going to loop up, and it comes on the back side of your valve right here. And you're going to take that hose loose right here and attach that hose there. Then all you've got to do, and that's all there is to the hydraulics, and then you've just got to attach your electricity to it. So just follow the instructions on how to wire that up. Put your switches up here that come with it. I mean, it took me probably 30 minutes to get it installed. Anyway, just wanted to explain those hydraulic hoses. To me, that was the confusing part. Thank you for watching.